this question is a little bit tricky, just a little bit. Okay, come for let's go. Arjun's water bottle is 1/3 filled with water. He drank 1/4 of the water. Okay, stop. At this point of time, stop first. He drank 1/4 of the water. The water bottle is 1/3 filled with water. He drank 1/4 of the 1/3. Okay, so when he said he drank 1/4 of the water, this water refers to the 1/3. So he drank 1/4 of the 1/3. Now, let's find out how much he drank. He drank 1/4 of change to multiply of the 1/3. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 3, 12. Which means that he drank 1/12 of the bottle. I'm going to convert this one to the same base as well. Times 4, times 4. This will be 4/12. So originally, right, his bottle, it was 4/12 filled with water. When he drank 1/4 of this, means that he drank 1/12 of it. Okay? So from 4/12, he drank 1 and 1/12, which means that he's left with 3/12. Okay? See, the amount of water he has minus the amount of water he drank, you get 3/12, and this is the amount of water that's left. Okay? And then we carry on reading. He drank 1/4 of the water and he poured 450 ml of water to fill it up completely. Now, after he drank 1/4 of the water, right, he is only left with 3/12 of the water inside the bottle, which means that he needs 9/12 to fill it up completely. Which means that if I were to draw the model, right, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, originally it was 4/12 with water, and then he drank 1/4 of it. He drank 1/12 of it. Okay, so actually he's only left with 3 units. So yeah, he's only left with 3 units, and he poured 450 ml of water to fill it up completely. Which means that from here to here is 450 ml of water. You see? And now the question is, what is the capacity of the water bottle? So the question is asking for this. How much can you put inside the bottle in the first place? Okay, simple. You take 450 divided by 9 units, multiply by 12 units. Okay, so take 450 divided by 9, that will give us 50 ml. Okay, you take 50, multiply by 12 units, and that will give us 600 ml. Okay, so this is actually how you need to do this. Fraction questions are usually a little bit tricky, but just if you cannot really catch it, you can watch the video again. Okay, then try to go a little bit slower. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. You can pause it if you really need to. Okay, try to really understand before you move on. Okay, don't worry about this. After you do this question a couple more times, you'll get used to it. Don't worry. Alright, done.